So an ooey gooey mac and cheese is one of my favorite vices. Like desserts, I'm always trying to find ways to make indulgent meals healthier. Hi, my name is Trudy Stone, and I'm a culinary nutritionist, and I help you to take control of your brain and your health in the kitchen. Now, if you like the ooey gooey like me, you are in for a treat, because today we're gonna be whipping up an amazing, indulgent, but vegan pumpkin mac and cheese. Now, this recipe is courtesy of the amazing Candace Kamai, wellness expert, chef, and author. This pumpkin mac and cheese may actually help to boost your vision, ease your stress away, and may even boost your brain power. More on that in a minute. Now let's get into it. So those are the benefits of eating pumpkin beyond your PSL or your pumpkin loaf. There's even more vitamins and minerals that are essential for boosting your brain power. That's why I put together On Point, 10 vitamins and minerals that are proven to boost your brain power. You can grab your copy by clicking on the link in the description below. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and also make sure to go ahead and subscribe so you get notified of when I do new videos so you can learn how to take control of your brain in the kitchen.